saw them warming up and they were just dancing and just having some fun, so I know that they're ready to go.
Aba Uganda Gazelle barukreta na South Sudan muzano gwa kota final gw'empaka za Africa za basketball batandika kurunja shicweka cyo kubanza barukucebembera habigo 25 harimo 20 aho abazana barimo Hopa Kelo, Jena Sinde, Priska Nyamwenge na Paige Robinson bona bakora kurunji.
For her to just drive straight to the basket, but that puts some points on the board for Uganda.
Quick fire shot from Kamara.
Aba South Sudan nabo bija kwerwanaho okusinga shicweka cya kabiri konka Uganda basinga cya kashatu okugumiza muno kwebembera shicweka cya kana bito mu dakika za hamuhero South Sudan bayongeramwa amani menji kurugenyuma kusinga omuzano go ahabego bankaga na mwenda hari nkaga na munana no kwekurabaho kuzo mu semifinals.
That was beautiful finish out under and in.
We're talking the same about Namwenge. She is a new player for Uganda, but she has the confidence to light it up whenever she...
Uganda ogwabo murundo gwa kabiri gwekuratanise ero kuremerwa harurengoro mu mpakeze bwa nyuma y'umwaka gw'2023 muri Kigali Rwanda kushohoza Uganda omuzano gwa kota final mu mpakeze asingirwa Nigeria. Uganda hateneyo kuzana emizano eyo kwata omwanya na za timwe zindi eziraremwe kurabaho kuzo mu semifinal.